esiphambanweni. That was actually i-time dilation whereby isikhathi bazalwane sashifta bazalwane whereby uJesu wathathwa uJesu bazalwane wayengapanishelwe esiphambanweni eGolgotha but wayipanishelwa in that place bazalwane la khona uNkulunkulu uthiwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu bazalwane khona uyokuphosa wonke umuntu emlilweni ovuthayo. So bazalwane that was the wrath of God. uJesu wayekuleyo ndawo leyo la uNkulunkulu wayijaja khona abantu, wayijaja each and every person uNkulunkulu wayekuleyo ndawo uJesu ejajwa kanye nabantu ababejajwa lapho. But the thing is uJesu yena wayijajelwa abantu, wayijajelwa mina nawe sisindisiwe. So ukuze kahle thina singabe senzina singabe sisajajwa. So uNkulunkulu njengoba sasikholele kuye indodana yakhe siyizwe, it is because uyazi ukuthi uJesu bazalwane uyena yedwa who has the ability to take us out of time and out of the curse of iniquity bazalwane, ayosibeka bazalwane kephi in eternity. So bazalwane uJesu bazalwane njengoba esho la kuleli izwi leli ethi it is finished bazalwane, it is simply because uyazi ukuthi sengimthathile umuntu from icala lakhe ayenalo against uNkulunkulu, sengiyenzile le being uNkulunkulu ayifuna, lento uNkulunkulu ayiplanile ukuthi ahle iwill yomuntu wayibe aligned ne will yakhe bazalwane. It is simply because bazalwane useyenzile use accomplishile uJesu into ye will bazalwane of ukuthi align ne will kaNkulunkulu. That was the purpose of creation, ukuthi iwill kaNkulunkulu must be aligned with the will of abantu. Ingakho sibabona mesebesesiphambanweni labana bazalwane uJesu esekhale sesibaxolele ngoba bakwazi abakwenzayo. It is simply because uyazi ukuthi intando yabo laba is not aligned with the will of what is going on, because iscenario eyenzakalayo lana akuyona lento abacabanga ukuthi iyona, inhliziyo zabo azihambiselani nalento ecabanga ukuthi iyona zihambiselana nenyinto. So uJesu labazalwane ika la uJesu uyaba intercedela, uthatha badala umthandazo wakhe usa uNkulunkulu akafuni inhliziyo zalabantu lezalabantu kube izizona ezozuzwa uNkulunkulu, ufuna kube kunomthandazo wakhe ozozuzwa uNkulunkulu ukuthi baxolele baba ngoba bakwazi abakwenzayo ukuze iwill yabo labantu labengeke iziphazamise intando newill alignment aseyenzile uJesu. So bazalwane siyamthola uJesu ethi it is finished. Indaba ethi it is finished umuntu bazalwane usekhishiwe bazalwane enje kwintilongo of time and iniquity bazalwane, umuntu sesusiwe bazalwane from whereby sebenza iwill yakhe against iwill kaNkulunkulu. Umuntu bazalwane usephumile from that bazalwane, usengene on another dimension bazalwane whereby usebenzisa iwill yakhe bazalwane to align himself with the will of God. So bazalwane iyona into edingekayo in these last times and in these last days bazalwane ukuthi umuntu bazalwane athathe intando yakhe align ne will kaNkulunkulu, because bazalwane we cannot live without the will of the Father, because this is the will of the Father bazalwane esikhombisa indlela ngaphandle kwayo intando kaNkulunkulu bazalwane. There is nothing that seems to be possible on this earth ngaphandle kwayo intando kaNkulunkulu, akukho kwazi ukwenzeka. So bazalwane if we can live iniquity and time bazalwane and reach it lesi sibeke kuyona uNkulunkulu, i-plan of creation will be fulfilled.
Thanda ukuthatha lethuba leli igama lami uNamsila wakwaDlamini bazalwane ngisindisiwe, ngiyamthanda kakhulu uJesu.